Turmeric curcumin for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric, a popular spice in many cuisines, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is responsible for these benefits. How to use turmeric curcumin? Consume turmeric in your diet by adding it to soups, stews, or curries. You can also take turmeric supplements. 7. Green tea for antioxidant and cognitive benefits. Green tea, a popular beverage, is rich in antioxidants and has been linked to improved cognitive function. The polyphenol in green tea, particularly EGCG, are responsible for these benefits. 1. Introduction *. This document provides a comprehensive overview of the medicinal properties and uses of Mungistha rubia cordifolia. 2. Medicinal properties *. Mungistha is a potent herb with a wide range of medicinal properties. 3. Uses *. Mungistha is used for various ailments, including skin conditions, inflammation, and digestive issues. 4.